if we can master these 5 stages effectively when we're leading teams during the uncertain beginnings and forming a successful, healthy environment during the process, when especially when we come to the end, like I stated earlier, family, when your name comes up on a project you have to lead, you're going to have people wanting to work with you because they understand what you bring to the table as far as you're putting them first. I don't know anybody, and maybe I may be wrong. Leave a comment in below. I'll be interested to find out. But I don't know anyone that if I'm putting you first, if I'm making sure you're good, and if I'm blocking impediments and things out your way so you can do what your strengths are and what you were brought here for the project to do, and you don't have to deal with the political aspect, you don't have to deal with people trying to get you off course, and you can just lock in and focus, you're going to want to work with that person every time because you know they're coming to execute. And watch this, family, especially if you can have a good time and do it, because the leader is inspiring you, they're motivating you, they're taking the time and having one-on-ones. How are you doing? How's the family? What can I do for you? These type of things go far in between, families.